Hi, my name is Carlos Rodriguez. I'm the store manager of the Carpet Garage here in Missoula, Montana. Here at the Carpet Garage, we're an in-stock store and we guarantee low prices in town. One thing about us is that we specialize in hard surface and sell more hard surface than we do carpet these days. So whether it's tile, hardwood, and all my team has taken the time to do the workshops and really get the education to be able to help people out there. It's important to know what you're selling so that when a customer comes in, tells you what their project is, or maybe they have a dilemma, we need to know how to find a solution for them. It's great to be a part of a company that has forward thinking, that they care about us, not just customers out there, the employees working for them. And so when they have that perspective, I know that they're looking for not just the latest material out there, but they're looking for the best material that's going to serve our customers for the long run.